obviously, Justin Barcia has a little bit of a reputation, hinted by the nickname Bam Bam. But you have to say this year he's taken the other side of this, and he's handled it pretty well, I would like to say. Considering how many times people complain about him racing dirty and him being overly aggressive and whatever, you have to say for between the two incidents with Jason Anderson this year, the one tweet that got taken away, and now this race in Daytona with Chase Sexton, you have to say he's taken it pretty well. Right there, he could have fully cleared out Chase Sexton. One jump, Chase jumps to the right again, almost lands on him once. And you can see right there, Justin Barcia looks straight up at him. And coming into this corner, he could have full gassed it and just cleaned him out right there. T-boned him. Didn't. This one, same thing. Chase Sexton makes a mistake, jumps over in front of him. And this time, Justin Barcia kind of landed on him. But, you got to say, there's two mistakes by Chase, which, again, that's kind of the story of the year for him. And just getting up front and then making mistakes. As you can see, again, stalls his bike and then just cuts right over. Doesn't look, doesn't hear anybody, doesn't even check, just goes and then just puts his head down and gone. And funny enough, if you look on anywhere, let's go Twitter because that's where I saw it. You see people sitting there and just bashing the shit out of Justin Barcia because of who he is and his reputation. But Chase had this to say.
Made that mistake after under the tunnel, and then I just heard him to my right, but I was in front, so I feel like I had the line. Obviously, I can go back and watch, and he came over after the race and talked to me about it. So, I just go back and look at it. But I felt like I had front wheel in front, and I had control. So, those mistakes were unfortunate, and allowed him to get close.
So in the comments below, I want to know what you think. Honestly, I think Barcia this year has handled himself pretty well. He's had two different people take him out in multiple different races. Obviously, this one, Chase Sexton took him out multiple times. Or almost took him out. I guess the first one he didn't fall, so I'm not going to count it. But in the comments below, I want to know what you think. Do you honestly just hate Barcia because his reputation or whatever? Because this year he's proved that he's either matured a lot or he's realizing, hey, I don't need to do it. These guys will screw themselves because look, Jason Anderson's wherever he is. But in the comments below, you tell me. What's your opinion on it? Obviously, I don't think these are super dirty. It's just stupid. But comment down below whatever you thought. Would you like Daytona? Do you think these are Chase Sexton just having more problems this year than he needs to? Whatever it is, go down there, comment it. As you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things you can in this platform because it helps me out playing the YouTube algorithm game, and I appreciate it a lot. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.